Hey guys, this is a short video to demonstrate the implementation of the proposed ABFO Bitemark algorithm that I said I could do during the Las Vegas conference. Unfortunately, I can't send you this form because to make it the way I wanted to, I had to enhance how PhotoDoc handles forms. So I'll be able to give you this with our next update, which may come out in February. But if I can just start and say, I'm looking at a right arm bite, and I'm going to start any forensic report with my materials. So I have 12 photos that I didn't take. The dot button lets me add multiples of something. So in this case, Frankie Jr., and I have dental models, photos, and his oral photos. I have a second suspect, who is Mike Tyson. I have dental models, occlusal services, and that video that Paula keeps saying I need to watch. And on somebody else. As many suspects as I have. Here you'll see this is gray. I can turn it on that way if I want to just add little provisos to my report. If it's off, it wouldn't show up on the printed report. And then I just start the analysis at the top of the algorithm. If I say it's not a bite mark, the form told me that no further analysis is required. Suggestive again. And you guys will need to help me with the actual language here. I'll send you a PDF file with all the different versions that you can mark up the language. But it gets interesting when we say it's a human bite mark. And in essence, are the bite marks sufficiently clear to justify comparison? Yes, it is. We're going to say that the individual arches are not visible, but the population is defined. And at this point, we can start doing suspects. And so I'm going to say Frankie Jr. And I'm going to say he's moderately distinct in this population, and he is not excluded as the biter. Again, we're going to go to Mike Tyson, and he's highly distinctive. But he's still, all we can get to is not excluded as the biter. You'll notice, however, if I say the individual arches and tooth marks are visible, then I can make him the probable biter or something else. So here I go, I've done my first bite mark. I can type any comments here. And then I'm going to go to my second pattern injury. And I'm going to say this is the pattern injury on the right ear. I have 27 photographs that I took. Now, obviously, the suspects are going to be the same. So I can just hit Control O, import all of that from my prior report, and now I can say it's a human bite mark, it's sufficiently clear. This time we got great arches, we have a defined population, and Frankie Jr. He done it this time. So now I can go like this. I can print the file, and in this case I'm just going to do the print preview function. And as you can see, we get a really nice report. Shows exactly what I did and exactly what I was thinking about at the time. The other thing that I can do, however, is if I'm using an electronic medical record or other information system, I can hit Control-Alt-C to copy this form to the clipboard. And I am going to use Notepad as my proxy for a EMR, and I'm just going to say edit, paste, and you'll see that we get a text representation of our form describing our bite mark analysis. So I am sorry that I can't send you this right now, but as I say, I had to beef up PhotoDoc a little bit to get it to actually know which options were available at which time. So this will be coming in the February, hopefully February update, and I would really like some feedback on whether or not the language is right in the PDF file that I'm going to attach. Thanks a lot, guys, and I hope to get your feedback on this video.